Hello. Today we're going to look at how we can discover, describe, and compare patterns. In this video specifically, we're going to look at discovering and describing patterns, and you'll have the opportunity to compare two different patterns later on. So right here we have three different arrangements. To first discover the pattern, you just want to make some observations. So what do you notice about these arrangements? Well, I notice that all three are in the shape of an L. You may have also said that they're getting progressively larger each time, each arrangement. However, as fifth graders, we can be a little more descriptive than that. I notice that in arrangement one, I have this corner piece, and then I have one tile above, and I have one tile to the right. I also notice that when I move to arrangement two, I see arrangement one in arrangement two. These three tiles from arrangement one, these three tiles are from arrangement one, and then I've added a tile on top and a tile to the right, giving me now 5 tiles. And then I noticed that arrangement two can be found in arrangement three. These 5 tiles are coming from arrangement two. And then I have added one tile to the top and one tile to the right, giving me a total of 7 tiles. Now I've noticed each time that I talked about these arrangements, I said that the previous arrangement was seen, and then I added one tile to the top and one tile to the right. So I could explain this by saying each new arrangement, this is kind of large. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Each new arrangement adds 2 tiles to the previous arrangement. One tile is added on top and one is added to the right. Now I've described this pattern. Using this description, I can then predict the next 2 arrangements and draw them. Now we're not expected to be the perfect artists in math, so here would be my drawing of the next 2 arrangements. It's not perfect, but it works. I see here in arrangement 4, arrangement 3, where I had these 7 tiles, and then I have added one to the top, one to the right. So I had the original 7 from arrangement 3 plus 2. And then in arrangement 5, I see the 9 tiles of arrangement 4 here. And then I've again added one tile to the top and one tile to the right to give me 11 tiles. Now, when we're in math, one of the most important things is to keep ourselves pretty well organized, keep our information or data organized. So here we have a table with all 5 arrangements listed, and we're going to put the number of tiles in the boxes below. And this will be ever so helpful when we go to graph this information later. So this would be 3 tiles, 5 tiles, 7 tiles, 9, and 11. Another good reason that we want to record this information is if we have a little bit more of a complex pattern, we might not be able to see it quite so easily. But when I see it like this, I can say, oh, look, I'm skip counting by 2, or it's just increasing by 2 each time, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 each time. And so the pattern would continue. So what do you think the next arrangements? How many tiles do you think would be in the next 3 arrangements?